Start again because I'm waffling.
I've seen the thing.
Ready?
Yep.
Hi there, good morning and welcome to... I'll start again. Good morning, my name's John.
I'm Carol.
And this is
Budgie's
Bus. As you can see, we're back in the bus today and we're starting to put stuff back in. Those of you who's ever emptied your motorhome will know if you haven't got a garage or somewhere to store the stuff, you can fill up rooms with the clutter that you carry in them. So we're slowly going through it, deciding what we're going to carry from now on and what we don't, because we carried tons of stuff we didn't use before. But bringing stuff in today, like I say, I'm waffling again, aren't I?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. This is our fourth time to do this video. Yeah, what we usually do is carry, like I say, a double hot plate, and they can be quite powerful on electricity. One site we went to, it was meant to be 16 amp, but I swear blind it was more. We only had the hot plate plugged in,
Yeah.
and after 2 days we come to leave, the actual plug into the camper, the extension lead had actually fused. All the pins had melted, the plastic around the pins had melted and stuck itself in. So there was a surge of power that overheated, but it didn't trip out the electric, so we weren't aware. So that could have been a fire hazard. So what we decided to do was, just before we sold the last camper, was to invest into induction hobs. We got 2 of these. For starters, 500 grams, maybe 700 at the most. So that 2 of those are half the weight of the other one. And with them being so slim and they're easy to slide into the smallest spaces, I won't teach you how to use those. Most people know how to use an induction hob. They're straightforward. You plug them in, turn them on, you cook what you want, turn them off. And unlike the usual hot plates that can stay hot to the touch for a half hour or so, these, as soon as you stop cooking, you can virtually put them straight away into the cupboard. The only thing that actually gets hot is the liquid inside the pans, or the meal inside the pans. So that's one of the things that we've started carrying. The second thing is that while we wild camp, we use the solar shower bags. These are knocking on a few years now. It's about time we invested in some new ones. We carry 3 of these and we fill them up when we fill up the camper, and if the weather's nice we put them outside. Even in the UK we've had these bags well over 40 degrees Celsius. In Spain, Portugal, they've been up above 50. And you have to put cold water in to help cool them down so you can have a shower. What we've found with one of these, we can fill up a 10-litre bucket twice and still have water for washing up. So one bag will allow 3 people to shower for 2 days. What we use is a 10-litre foldable bucket. I haven't put that in yet, so I'll show you that in another video. And then we use the 12-volt shower. It's all wired. No matter how many times I untangle it, it gets tangled again. 12-volt plug that will plug into your cigarette lighter anywhere in the camper. You've got nearly 5 meters of cable. You have on-off switch, your submersible pump, and then over 2 meters of piping, and your shower head. It's an adjustable shower head. You just push the button side to side, so to increase or decrease the flow of the water. So yeah, that's a way we save on gas while camping. You also know that we love to use the solar cookers when we're away. We used them mainly in Spain, the solar cookers in Spain and Portugal. You've seen the video, or if you haven't, if you spend a few minutes and go back to some of our old ones, you'll see Carol making bread in one. So we won't touch on that subject. The second thing is that we have got...
Where did you put it?
Our labels. No matter, I can't see you down. Oh, here they are. Oh. We've got a huge camper and I'm still hiding things that I can't find. Well, here they are. There you go. If anybody would like one, I'll pop my email in the description below. Please drop us an email with your name and address and we'll post you one. If you've got any yourself of your channel, please send them through. We'll give our return address and drop us a label back. That would be grateful, and we'll give you a plug on our channel. The other thing, one thing before we go, is that I was looking through eBay the weekend, well, Friday night to be actual, because the TV we got with the camper is only a 19-inch and it's DVD combo, and unless you're going to be carrying loads of DVDs and you enjoy watching BBC and that sort of rubbish, we don't. But it is, you know, it's all rubbish on the BBC. I'm sorry. What we seen was a Ferguson 24-inch smart TV, and it's got a DVD combi, so it's got DVD and smart TV, and it was very reasonable priced. It was £189 with free delivery. I'll drop the link in below if anyone's interested in going across and having a look at them. So that's it really for today. I hope I ain't waffled too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I have to have her with me to keep me under control. So, like I say, if you want a label or a sticker, let's say, give us a call, or sorry, not a call. Drop us an email with your name and address, and we'll post them out. Please respond likewise, and we'll give you a plug on the channel. One other thing, if you don't mind, those of you who put graphics on your van to promote your channel, could you leave a comment below telling us who made them for you and where they are? I'd be gratefully received as well. So, for now, it's only a short one. Take care.
Travel safe.
Stay safe.
And that.
And most of all, happy travelling.
That's the one.
From the pair of us. Okay. Catch you in the next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
You happy with that, or do you want to do it again?
No, we're good.